I dream of becoming a millionaire and becoming famous. I dream of gazing into the future. I dream of exploring my past and travelling back in time. I dream of flowers blossoming and their leaves beautifully scattering towards the ground. I dream of running into the unknown whilst a luscious breeze blows through my hair. I dream of what my life could be. I dream of what the world could be. I dream of the sun beaming down on me. I dream of many things, sometimes even nightmares. I dream of sly snakes slithering around me, their fangs ready to grab me. I dream of vast holes opening, ready to trap me inside. I dream of sharks lurking beneath the deep sea, jaws wide open, ready to swallow me. I dream.
If I was a bird, I'd fly with my wings and be free from all the drama and hate. However, being on this ride has made me feel that way. Not to notice of anything else but me, I was far, far away from the bed and into the distance of the carrying clouds that would protect me from falling over. The sky is a magical place to be from what I can see. It feels like it's reaching out to me to join with the beauty of itself.
Flying high in the sky is beyond the world. Owning a lot of animals is a dream. I dream of being a millionaire. Standing in a dark hallway alone is a nightmare. Standing in a tiny room filled with spiders is a fear.
Its name was Fuzzy. You could cuddle it all day. But little did you know that it didn't come to play. It wished to be a superhero, to fight crime and destroy villains, to destroy people like the evil Emperor Nero. But don't be fooled by its braveness, as it has a weakness. The toilet roll, its arch nemesis, digs deep right into her soul. However, she puts on a brave face and makes a fist and wishes that she shall become a DC superhero. Later on in her dreams, magical fairy tale, she wishes to escape to such a wonderful place. Alike like Neverland, she dreams of what the world could be, a place for her imagination to see, to align with the protectors of the earth, just like the cosmic galactical world beyond. A place that seems so opaque you couldn't even feel its earthquake. She soars right above the free ocean, above a place of crime and commotion.